Auto good fam, buckle up, because today we're talking about a wild idea turned into a real, fun, affordable electric convertible. Something almost no one expected in a market full of rigid, hardtops and crossover crossbreeds. This is the 2026 Leapmotor Lafa5 EV Convertible, a drop-top electric that pairs everyday usability with sunny-top fun, and does it without begging for a premium price tag. If you've ever wanted an EV that smiles at summer roads, this one was clearly built with joy in mind. At first glance, the Lafa5 Convertible looks like a stylish compact EV with a twist. In its coupe form, it carries a sleek silhouette, smooth lines, clean surfaces, and a design language that's modern without being overstyled. But drop the top and the personality instantly shifts. Suddenly you have a tiny electric roadster vibe with a playful stance and an energetic presence. The reimagined front end keeps slim, LED headlights and a simplified fascia that feels contemporary, while the rear end stays purposeful yet lighthearted. This isn't a heavy GT cruiser, it's an EV built for smiles per mile. Underneath that wind-in-your-hair vibe, the 2026 Lafa5 Convertible still takes the fundamentals of electric driving seriously. The Leapmotor platform uses a single rear motor setup in many trims, delivering instant torque and smooth acceleration. That's perfect for urban, cruising, and backroad jaunts alike. You won't see hypercar numbers here, but with equal emphasis on efficiency and usable everyday performance. The Lafa5 feels punchy when you want it without ever feeling underpowered. It's not about raw speed, it's about accessible, playful performance. Range is surprisingly respectable for a drop-top EV thanks to aerodynamic tuning where possible and smart efficiency in its powertrain. The Lafa5 Convertible targets a real-world range of around 200 to 250 plus miles, 320 to 400 kilometers, depending on driving style, weather, and battery size. Enough for weekend drives or daily routines without constant charging stops. DC fast charging support means you can lean on public stations when your plans take you further out of town, and home charging keeps daily life simple. Step inside and the convertible spirit really comes alive. The cabin is minimalist yet intuitive, with a large central touchscreen that handles everything from navigation and media to climate control and energy usage. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, keeping your connectivity tight without cable clutter. Perfect when the wind's in your hair and you just want to enjoy the ride. Seats are supportive with subtle bolstering that feels right for both city, cruising, and twisty roads. And clever storage solutions make the compact interior feel livable without compromise. Now let's talk real-world appeal, and this is where the Lafa5 Convertible gets interesting. In a market dominated by stiff, utilitarian EVs, this car brings joy and personality back into electric driving, and pricing reflects that accessible intent. Early expectations pegged the 2026 Leapmotor Lafa5 EV Convertible comfortably below many premium EV convertibles, with a starting price well under $40,000 USD in key markets and competitive ranges in Asia and Europe. Add incentives where available, and it becomes one of the most enticing ways to get into an open-air EV without selling a kidney. Auto good fam, the 2026 Leapmotor Lafa5 EV Convertible isn't about breaking records or chasing headlines. It's about fun, experience, and emotion, the pure joy that comes from putting the top down, winding through scenic roads, and enjoying the silence only an EV can deliver. This is electric driving with a grin on its face, designed for people who want EV practicality and that classic convertible thrill. In a world full of hardtops, it's the one EV that says, "Let's enjoy the ride."